Assalamu alaikum follows. Did you do zikr today? Yes or no? If you choose no, so zikr with me to make your iman strong. Or if you choose yes, so zikr with me again to make your iman more strong than before. So let's start. Day 14, 13 February 2025. Here is the 32nd timer we have, so just do zikr with me. Do zikr
اللهم إني أسألك الجنة
for 30 seconds. Start.
اللهم إني أسألك الجنة 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 اللهم إني أسألك الجنة.
MashaAllah. Congratulations, you done your zikr today. We'll meet on our next video, inshallah. Take care of yourself and your family too. Allah Hafiz. Allah Nigeban.